everyone, welcome back to Crochet Tutorials. In this video we're just going to have a quick look at the magic knot. So many things in crochet are termed magic, the magic circle, the magic knot, but this knot is a really good method to join two balls of yarn together so you can continue your work. Now there are several different options. Of course, some people will just use a normal granny knot and then weave in the ends, and if you're weaving in your ends adequately, generally that's fine. The magic knot though, you might find is useful. It is really firm. One word of caution I will offer is that some of the slippier yarns, so yarns that have maybe a high silk content, or they're really quite polyester yarns, those yarns will be a little bit slippier and may actually come apart. So just be aware of what kind of yarn you're using to use this knot method. Most of the acrylics, the wools, and of course the cottons will hold very firmly and will not come apart with this method. So I've got two yarn balls here. They're different colours, of course, so you can see exactly what I'm doing. It really is as simple as getting the ends to face opposite ways. I'll just zoom in if I can and see if that makes it easier for you to see. So all we're going to do is wrap this end around this and wrap this end around that. So what we do is just come in, go over that piece of yarn, come in under it, and then put the tail over like that. So you've got a little loop that's wrapping around this one strand of yarn, and then we're going to go under that and just make a little knot in that one piece of yarn. You can see that that's just a knot around that piece of yarn, and then we're going to tighten that down. So you can pull quite firmly on that. And at the other end, we need to do the same thing, but it's going to be the opposite. So we're going to go over and around and wrap over our blue tail there. So just doing the same thing, and then we're going to come in under and tighten that knot down. And you can see that there's the knot here that I've already made and the knot there that I'm currently making. So that is literally it, and all you do from here is pull on both ends and those knots will meet each other in the middle, and the knots will work to effectively stop each other from slipping away. If you like, you can leave longer tails than this and weave them into your work, but that is how to do the magic knot. So remember, we go over or under, it doesn't really matter. We go over that yarn, come underneath it and cross over. If you go over here, you need to go over here and then under, just to make a little knot at that end. And then we're going to do exactly the same thing with this. So we're going to go under that yarn and under our yarn we're working with, and then make a knot at that end as well. And then pull. And that is your magic knot. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.